I'm Maria from Fata Digitais, and I'm really excited to share with you and all the learners on our programs not a new tool, but a very good tool that I use a lot on my training sessions, demos, and meetings to blur certain parts of my screen. As always, we're committed to showing you little tools, little tactics every single day in addition to your program that you've booked and invested in with us. So let's go right in. So Zero Blur is an extension that is essential for those of you who works as sales leaders, educators, trainers, or digital content creators, because it allows you to attach an app extension in the browser of Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. It's free, it doesn't lag, and it will allow you to block sensitive areas like emails, IP addresses, customer data, phone numbers, number of followers on certain web pages or applications during all your recordings or webinars, preventing the accidental exposure of data. As you know, you have a duty to safeguard your data, and this is critical. So for all of you who are here today, just want to say well done for your week. I'm going to flick through to the tool now. So Zero Blur is an extension. All you need to do is if you wanted to go to Google and do a search, you can do a search very quickly. It will appear straight away as an extension. Sometimes you can find others that are paid for or have a limited amount of free usage. Don't do that. Use a free tool. We always promote that sort of investment in anything you can find that it's not at a cost for you. So I've already downloaded this and I've actually pinned it to my taskbar here. So what you do is you go to the little icon on the right and you just add it and pin it to your tab. So it's very easy to do. So let's just go right into the tool. So if I go into the tool here and I click on it, it appears as an icon. And as you can see, when I toggle it, it allows me to find this menu on the right hand side with a few functions. It has a number 5, which means the intensity of the blur. I can either do it by area. So if I click on it, it locks that area on the site. If you wanted to close key information from site, if I do the whole banner, it will go like that. If I wanted to intensify the blur, I can go up to 12, I think it is, yep, or reduce it to 9. Once I get rid of the menu, I can now flick through it freely and show the content that I want to show. Imagine that I want to blur not just the sections, but I wanted to do a specific area free of the actual icons. I can do it this way, so I can actually blur parts of text and then close it, and now I can flick through the page. So it's pretty simple. Now be aware that if you go into a different section of the site, it might be that it won't remember the blur. So always try to do this before you record. That's my tip for you. So any questions, let me know. I'm always available on the forums, in the share areas. If you wanted to delete all the blurring at the same time, you press the bin. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. Any questions, please do engage with me or the team, and I will see you very, very soon.